Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning video. How are you today? I hope you are doing great and staying healthy. In this video, we are going to learn one important grammar topic in English, which is past continuous tenses. So, please watch this video until the end because we will learn step by step, and at the end there will be exercise and explanation to help you understand better. Okay, let's start our lesson. Before we talk about past continuous, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever told a story about something that was happening in the past? For example, yesterday at 7 p.m., I was studying. Last night, I was watching a movie. In those sentences, the activities were happening at that time, but they were not finished yet. When we talk about an activity that was in progress at a certain time in the past, we use past continuous tense. So today we will learn the definition of past continuous. When we use past continuous, the sentence pattern, examples, and also exercise and how to answer them. So what is past continuous? Now, let's talk about the definition. Past continuous tenses is a form of sentence that is used to express an activity that was happening at a specific time in the past. In Indonesian, it means bentuk kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aktivitas yang sedang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. And the important point is the action was happening, the time is in the past. For example, at 8 o'clock last night, I was doing my homework. This means that at 8 o'clock the activity was still in progress. When do we use past continuous? The first, action in progress at a specific time in the past. The second one, the actions happening at the same time. We use past continuous in two main situations. First, to show an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. For example, yesterday at 9 a.m., she was sleeping. This means that at 9 a.m., she was in the middle of sleeping. And the second, we use past continuous to show two actions that were happening at the same time in the past. Usually, this type of sentence use the word while. For example, I was cooking while my mother was watching TV. Both activities were happening at the same time. And number two, to show two actions happening at the same time in the past. For example, I was cooking while my mother was watching TV. They were talking while the teacher was explaining the lesson. The word while is often used to show two activities happening at the same time. Past continuous use formula subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Was itu digunakan untuk he, she, it, and I, dan were itu digunakan you, we, they. Now, let's learn how to form a past continuous sentence. The formula is subject plus was or were followed by verb ing, and we use was with singular subjects such as I, he, she, and it. We use were with plural subjects such as you, we, and they. For example, I was reading a book, she was studying English, they were playing football. The verb always ends with ing in past continuous. And for negative sentence, to make a negative sentence, we add not. So subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. For example, I was not sleeping. They were not playing games. And for the question sentence, to make a question, we put was or were at the beginning. So was or were plus subject plus verb ing. For example, was she studying last night? Were they studying last night? Were they watching TV? For this slide, I will explain time expression. So, common time expression in past continuous, there are yesterday, last night, at that time, at 7 p.m., and while. So, past continuous sentences are often used with specific time expression. This time expression help us know that the action happened in the past and was still in progress. For example, at that time I was waiting for my friend. Last night they were studying English while I was studying. My phone was ringing. When you see this time expression, you should think about using past continuous. And now, after you listen my explanation about past continuous, how to make past continuous, how to make negative past continuous, how to make a question, and now I will show you the exercise and I will explain step by step how to answer the question. The first question 1, at 8 p.m. last night, I blah 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 watching TV. First, look at the time expression. At 8 p.m. last night, show a specific time in the past. Second, identify the subject. The subject is I. Third, choose was or were because the subject is I. We use was. So the correct sentence is I was watching TV. Question 2. They blah 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 playing football yesterday afternoon. Step 1. Look at the time expression. Yesterday afternoon shows past activity. Step 2. Identify the subject. The subject is they. And step 3. Choose was or were. They use were. Step 4. Check the verb play to playing. And question 3. While she was studying, her brother blah 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 sleeping. Step 1. Look at the word while. It shows two actions happening at the same time. Step 2. Identify the subject. The subject is her brother. And step 3. Decide words were or was. Her brother is singular, so use was. And step 4. Check the verb sleep to sleeping. And now, let's check the answer. Number 1 is was, number 2 is were, number 3 is was. Always remember to check the subject and the time expression. So to conclude today's lesson, past continuous is used to talk about activities that were happening in the past. The formula is was or were plus verb ing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this lesson will help you understand past continuous better, and see you in the next video.